guys, welcome back. It is a little cloudy in the house. And today I'm sitting here waiting for the fucking UPS truck to pull up so I can get my MacBook Air. And the reason I'm waiting, you ask?
Who asked you?
I'm waiting here because, well, basically, I don't have a doorbell. And if they can't ring the doorbell, then I can't sign the paper. Yeah, just waiting here. Lovely fucking quarantine, just the corner and set. Like, I'm literally like, I'm in my house, but like I'm sitting on something. I'm sitting on this like drawer. This is what I'm sitting on. It's a drawer. Right? Not a dress. Yeah, this is a drawer or a dresser. Oh, bro, I'm fucking special ed.
Which is where the name autism originated.
I've been waiting for this literally all day. And when I say I've literally been outside on a chair in front of the house, waiting for this UPS box to come, bro, it just blows mine. Now, how the fuck do I open this?
2 hours later.
Oh, by the way, I don't know if I probably said it before, but this is a MacBook Air.
Day 2.
Because, dude, don't cut your shit with a butter knife. This is a butter knife right now. I'm really using a butter knife.
3 weeks later.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Beauty. Do you guys like how this weird scenery? This is my nephew's room. My cat's coming right now. Knock over the fucking camera. This is my cat. Introduced him before, but it's Max. Oop. Bro, my cat really just put his head inside a box. Anyway, how do I? Oh, here you go. Ah! Fucking wrong! I'm so excited! I'm so gay for that. Oh my god. Why is it taking so long to open this fucking box? I'll just show you what he's done. Oh, he stopped. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so this is the color I got. It's in gold, but it kind of looks like pink. Before I open it, you just love my weird angles. You like how I'm just in a fucking kid's room doing this shit? Yeah, this is how fucking random I am. This thing is mad small, but comes with this thingy. I don't know what it's called. This thingy, it's a charging. Let's open this. Great. They want little pigtails. Yeah, these are my pigtails. Can you stop fucking walking in the camera? My cat's not. Can you see his fucking tail in here? Stop. Dude, the trackpad is so big. See that trackpad? By the way, I'm doing this for my phone, so sorry for the shitty footage, but can you stop sticking your head in the box? Well, I'm just gonna set it up now.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. Huh. Okay. Can you not? Can you not? My cat's so fucking weird, so I'm not going to tell on a cat. Right, United States. I don't have a password. What's going on? This is mad pretty, bro. Look at my ugly ass nails, bro. Like, ugly. Hey. So, I didn't record the end of the video, and, this is my outro. Goodbye, see you next time, and, peace.